Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's EK here, and today we're going to do a little bit of a different video. We're going to review one of my favorite subscriptions. It's called Menlo House. It used to be called 5-4 Club. Basically, it's a monthly subscription for men's clothing. So if you're anything like me, I'm a big guy, obviously, and for me, it's hard for me to go just to the mall and shop for my size, because a lot of times I'll find something I like, but they don't have my size. So what I end up really doing most of the time is I just go home, and order stuff online. The only problem is sometimes, you go online and you order something and you're not really sure if it's really gonna fit you, right? What you end up doing is doing a lot of returns and shipping back and forth, and it gets really boring or it gets really tedious, right? So how Menlo House works is that when you first go online, obviously go to themenlohouse.com. Here you can sign up for the subscription by joining the club. So you hit that button, and first it'll give you a little bit of promotion and whatnot. And you want to hit the join community. And first, what they'll do is have you take a quick quiz about what your style is. So you can do a mix. You can do casual, classic, or forward. For myself, I like to just click mix, and then it'll tell you, ask you how frequent you want your clothes to come, how much it'll cost, and then you choose your sizes. So your top size, your bottom size, your bottom fit, whether you like slim, straight, or relaxed, and then also your shoe size, what they'll send you socks and shoes. So after you click those, you hit complete. And from that point on, you sign up with an account. So I'll show you guys my account here real quick. So here is my account. I've been a member for a while. And as you can see here, it'll give you, once you log in, it'll give you a history of what's been sent to you, some suggestions. So you can kind of scroll through and see what clothing that you've been receiving from this place, just in case if you forget or something, if you forget where you got it. And sometimes, every once in a while, someone will be like, hey, I really like that shirt. Where'd you get it? And in case you forget, you can come back here and look. You can also go back into your account settings. And from here, you can actually do more with your size in case, you want to change your style a little bit. So you want to change it, maybe from mixed to casual or classic or forward. Also, you can also change the sizes in case maybe you lose weight or you gain weight. You can always go back here and change the different sizes, especially between your top. So let's just say you have a different t-shirt size, you have a different sweatshirt size or jacket size that you want to wear instead. Maybe it's different from each other. Here you can choose between those so that you can make sure that the right one fits you. So here is, I forget when I got this, so it's been a while. I've actually been on hiatus in terms of opening my packages just because, due to COVID, I haven't had to really need to change into a lot of different outfits in order to go to work. So I've just kind of been extremely lazy on opening up my stuff. But here is today, so here is a reveal. I'll open it for you guys. So it usually comes pretty well packaged. Has some tissue paper, postcard, FedEx. So here is this outfit. So it's still so originally it was called 5-4 Club. It still is. So a lot of the branding is still from 5-4. But as you can see here, this month's outfit is going to be a little bit more conservative. So we have some khaki pants, and some chinos here, and we also have a white shirt. So here's the outfit. I think it looks pretty good. Very conservative. Pretty much very good for office casual type of environment. But you can also go out with it, get drinks afterwards, go out with your friends. It definitely looks pretty good. I haven't ironed this or anything. It's just straight out of the bag. So I think it looks pretty good, Just for some reference, this is a double XL. And I have a size 39 waist, but I just put it at 40 just to be easier. I am 5'10" and close to 300 pounds. So I'm a big boy. And you can tell that this is pretty form-fitting, right? This is definitely not going to be super baggy. Arguably I could probably, if I went to 3XL, this would be a lot baggier, but I generally like liked my clothes a little bit more fitting, so that it looks a little slimmer on me. One thing I would probably wear this with is a nice jacket on top, because just pure white like this is probably going to make me look like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. But you know, generally what I like to do would be to, sometimes I'll tuck this into, or you know, just leave it hanging, but definitely maybe a jacket over this, or a light sweater, depending on what time of year it is. One thing I do need to do is hem the crap out of this right now. I definitely need to shorten these pants up by a lot, but because right now it's way past my ankles. But aside from that, the fit is great. You know, generally it's pretty normal fit, I would say. It's not super tight. I'm pretty, the fabric is stretchy too, which is even better. Now, like, I don't even have to worry about, you know, like ripping a hole in my pants or something. So this is actually great pants. Like, I'm really loving these pants right now. But overall, you know, I think this, still have a tag here. I think overall this still looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys have this as well, what you guys think of the program. Thanks, guys.